Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are having a good day and living a healthy and peaceful life. So I've come again here with the cue card which I'm going to speak in this video, and this video is totally for the English learner who want to speak and be a confident English speaker in while in front of public basically. So I've chosen a cue card, and on that I'll going to speak because this is how I do the practice in this YouTube channel, and you can watch my previous video. So in this video the cue card is about describing a thing that is broken in your home and then you have repaired it. So this is kind of cue card. If you want, I can add in this side of this video, and after seeing that cue card you can also do the practice by that cue card, because it is very helpful for anyone who want to to speak English. And so I've just wrote down some sort of words for speaking for the cue card. So let's get started and let's jump into this video. So if I talk about in basically my life, there is a lot of things which I have repaired in my life, but if I talk about one special thing which has happened to me last week, where I was playing in my home and with my friends, and at the time I was broken my television because of playing cricket in indoor basically. And so for that I need to repair it, and there is a display which is got broken by my end. And so I call to the customer care of MI, because I bought it from the MI company, and they I found out that the warranty got expired, and because of that we cannot able to repair it, and so they completely deny. So after that that is useless for me. After within a week I am not able to watch it watch it in my way. But after that I give this suggestion, all the things, to my one of my friend who is also coming to my home, and there he told me one suggestion that you should need to go to local shops, there you will find something. So I've gone to one local shop which is closest to my house, and where I found out that they are repairing the televisions which I own. And so I went there, and they I think they have the display, and so for that they are charging some sort of money. And so it is very good for me, because I never face something like that, because the companies who are denying to take services, that is a very shocking thing for me. And after going to local shops, they've said me we need to change whole screen, and for that they are charging 5 to 10,000 rupees. But I convinced them, and they have gave it at around 5,000. So it was a very stressful and very happy journey, because I broke it with a silly thing happening in my home basically. If I didn't play in indoors, so I not able to get this situation, but because of silly things I'm able to get in this kind of situation. So it is happening to everyone's life. So this is what I got to know from this situation, and this is for the cue card. And at least I'm able to speak at least I think so more than 2 minutes for speaking in the cue card. So there's other thing as well which we need to focus on, comparison to speaking, apart from speaking, listening and writing as well. So I'm basically focusing on that as well nowadays, and so that's why there is very less videos of cue cards. But hopefully from next month onwards I'm going to speak about on the cue cards as well. And so if you find this video helpful, so don't forget to watch previous videos as well, so you can find some insightful things which is helpful for you. So this is it for today's video. Bye bye, have a good day ahead.